Hi viewers, this part of coordinate geometry we will discuss about how to find out equation of straight line when the line is given on graph paper, as you can see that. So first of all we will find out the gradient, and once we find out the gradient, then we will find out the y-intercept, which is the point when line cuts the y-axis. That point is called y-intercept point, or we can say that slope-intercept point. So the general equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This is why. So remember, in this equation of straight line, y, m represent gradient, whereas c is called y-intercept. We can say that m is gradient, whereas c represent y-intercept. So y-intercept is very easy to find from the graph paper, where the line or slope intersect or touch the y-axis. That point is called c, which is here c is equal to 1. So we can say c is equal to 1. And next we will see what is our gradient. So for that we need 2 points from this line so that we can find out gradient. Let's suppose my one point is here, which is a, and it is 3 comma 4, and another point we can choose negative value as well. So here b, which is negative 3 minus 2. So if we have these 2 points, a, which is 3 comma 4, and b, which is minus 3 comma minus 2. So what is the gradient? We know the formula of gradient, that is m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we already learned in the previous video how to find out or how to utilize gradient. So y2 is minus 2 minus 4, x2 minus 3, x1 is minus 3. So this is minus 6 over minus 6, which gives me 1. It means m equal 1 and c equal 1 as well. So replace this value, our gradient and y-intercept, in the general equation of straight line, which is mx, y is equal to mx plus c. So our required straight line is 1x plus 1, or we can say that y is equal to x plus 1. So in this situation we find out the gradient positive because line moves from left to right up. In the second case we will find out the gradient negative. The rest rules are same, so we can try the second one also. See here, again the general equation is same, y is equal to mx plus c. Where this line touches the y axis, that is our slope intercept, or we can say that y-intercept, which is c, is equal to 3. So our y-intercept, which is c, is equal 3, and we are looking gradient as well. So for gradient we need to find 2 points. Let's suppose one point is here a, it is 2 comma 2, and one point is we can choose more bigger, which is b, and it is minus 4 and 5. So gradient of point AB, we can write 5 minus 2 over minus 4 minus 2, which gives me 3 over minus 6, which is equal 1 over minus 1 over 2. So look, the gradient is negative. Now we will replace these two values, like y-intercept or gradient, in the normal equation or general equation of straight line, which is y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to minus 1 over 2x plus we have c is 3. This is our required answer. I hope so it is clear. Now we will learn how to when we have a general equation of straight line, and in that equation how to figure it out m and c as well as y-intercept. And remember that here we learn from the graph. So next we will solve straight away from the equations. Uh, yes, viewers, the general equation of straight line, we have y is equal to mx plus c. You can see here the point we already discussed about gradient, how to find gradient when we have points given on graph paper or on the line. Now, if we have an equation, but it is not in arranged form, so how can we find out the gradient as well as slope intercept or y-intercept? So here M represent the gradient of the straight line and C the intercept with y-axis. This shown in the diagram. So this point is C, and the basically gradient is equal to the distance of y coordinates divided by the distance of x coordinate. Means this is vertical distance, this is horizontal. So y over x, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we will see straight away in the questions. One more thing I will apply, the general equation of straight line we can write in this form also. Equation of straight line in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So sometimes we have to write the answer in this form. So this is also called general equation of straight line. Takes the form y is equal to mx plus c. In this way, ax plus by plus c. So this is also called equation of straight line in this form. So let's see these questions. For example, first we will check this question in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So this is our general form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Remember that in this form, y is in subject form. So our goal is to make y subject in this case. So for that, I will take first one other side of the equation. So normal equation concept we will apply. Minus 2 over 3y is equal to 2x minus 1. And then we know that the position of 3 is in divide. So other side it will multiply. So minus 2y is equal to 3 bracket open 2x minus 1. And then later on we can divide to other side. So first step, you can multiply 3 inside, so that would be 6x minus 3, and then y is equal to 6 over minus 2x minus 3 over minus 2, which gives us, I divided separately. You can check in parts as well or in LCM way. So this gives me minus 3x and minus minus plus 3 over 2, that means 1.5. So here my value of gradient m is equal minus 3, and c, which is y-intercept and touch or cuts the y-axis or intersect y-axis, that is 1.5. So we find out. And now we will try one more question related to this, how to figure it out. And remember that our goal is to make y subject, y is equal to mx plus c. Now, uh, first we can simplify the numerator by multiplying minus inside. So it would be minus x minus minus plus 2y. So minus minus plus x plus 2y over 4 plus x minus y is equal to minus 2. Here minus x plus x cancel. So 2 plus 2y, we can add like terms in algebra. So 2 plus 2, 4y over 4 plus x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now we can cross multiply. So 4y is equal to minus 2 bracket open. 4 plus x minus y, multiply minus 2 inside. So 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 2x minus minus plus 2y. we have to rearrange so that we can make y as subject. So bring 2y from right to left. It would be 4y minus 2y. So minus 2x minus 8. That gives me 2y is equal to minus 2x minus 8. And y is equal to minus 2 over 2x minus 8 over 2. So lastly, I'm getting minus x minus 4. That means our required equation is y is equal to minus x minus 4. So here my gradient is, we are getting gradient is what? So the general equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. So m, the value which comes before x, that is the coefficient of x. So that is m is equal to minus 1, and c, which is y-intercept, is minus 4. So we find out both. I hope so it is clear. Now we will try one or two questions which show the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. We will do next. See these questions. In these questions, I will try to make a general equation of straight line in this form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So right now it's look like fraction. We can say that this is minus y over 2 is equal to, next you can take 3 as LCM. So 3x plus 1. By cross multiplying, we can say that it is minus 3y is equal to 2 bracket open 3x plus 1 and minus 3y, 2 multiply inside, so it is 6x plus 2. And remember that no need to make y subject, we have to make the form ax plus by plus equals 0. So for that, take 3y from left to right, it would be 6x plus 3y plus 2 equals 0. That's all. This is the required form. If we try one more questions, the next one, first we can think about cross multiply, or you can multiply minus inside first, minus 2x 3y over 3x 2 over 3. So by cross multiply, it would be 3 bracket open minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 2 multiply 3x. So I'm getting 3 multiplied by 2 minus 6x and minus 9y is equal to 6x. Again, after rearranging 6x. So if we take this 6x other side, it would be plus 6x and plus 9y is equal to 0. So here I'm getting plus 12x plus 9y. 9y is equal to 0. Here c is 0, so you can write in this form. I hope so it is clear. Thank you for watching.